Miss Asher here, back for lesson 3 of your writing this week. So lesson 1 we looked at year 4 techniques for poetry, lesson 2 we looked at year 5 techniques for poetry, and today we're learning to explore emotions through words. Alright, so remember we need to think about our word choices. They need to be really specific because we don't use that many words in our poems. So we need to make clear choices as to what words we're going to use. So to enable us to write a poem showing emotion, we need to explore feelings in words that we associate with them. Alright, so words that we associate with being excited or happy. Here we've got joy. Some of you may have met her already. This is a really short video. I'm just going to pause that very quickly to make it large. Okay, so you may know that Joy is from Pixar's Inside Out. Now Joy doesn't just tell us that she's happy or joyful, she shows it, she tells it, she shows us in the way that she speaks, in the way that she moves, in the way that she stands, all of those different things. So we want you to think about how you can show, not tell us about being excited or happy, okay? Now, your first task is you're going to have a look at this word search, all right? There are so many words and phrases that we can use instead of happy or joy. Happy is boring, isn't it? We need to up-level that. So we'd sometimes use a thesaurus, wouldn't we, to find a better word, to up-level it. Here, you've got words like celebratory, jubilant, on cloud 9, proud, pleased, smug, thrilled, triumphant. So we want you to have a look and see if you can find those words in this word search. That is task number 1. All right, so pause the video now, have a look for those, and then when you're finished, come back and we'll move on. All right, so I'm going to move on now. So, some synonyms, and that's what we're looking at. Words that mean the same thing but are a different word, and there might be a different level of meaning, which we're going to talk about now. Some synonyms are stronger than others, and we call these shades of meaning. So if you look at these sort of ladders here, you've got happy at the top, which is almost neither here nor there. Someone's happy about something. Then we've got glad, which is sort of a step up from happy. And then delighted, a step up from glad. Elated, overjoyed. And then we've got ecstatic, right at the top there, or at the bottom I should say here. But these words are the ones that are stronger. All right, so it's someone's ecstatic about something, which is a much stronger word for happiness than happy, isn't it? Same as sad over here. Sad, cheerless, melancholy, sorrowful, distressed, and then heartbroken. Heartbroken shows a much stronger emotion than just being sad, doesn't it? You can see that they're different. So it's really important that we make those choices about our words really carefully. So here we've got an example. Julie was ecstatic to discover that she was going to the circus. Peter was happy to discover that he was going to the circus. So looking at those two characters, it would be clear that Julie was more excited about going to the circus, wouldn't it? Because she's ecstatic about it and Peter's just happy about it. Ecstatic is a much stronger version of happy. So, we're going to look at the word excitement. Now, excitement, a feeling of being excited or an exciting event. So we want you to come up with some synonyms for excitement, all right? And we want you to arrange the words to show shades of meaning. So like we had those ladders on the previous page, we've given you a sheet like this so that you can come up with your own. And you can list them in the least strong, and then up to the strongest words, okay? The ones that have the strongest meaning, like we did with happy and ecstatic, all right? Or you can create a rating for the words. So think of things that make you excited. So a 5-star rating for a really great word could be 5 donuts, if that makes you excited, or 5 balloons, or 5 Christmas trees, your choice. So if I was going to think of a word for excitement, I might choose, if someone's is feeling excitement, they might also feel passion. So I'm going to say passion. Someone's passionate about something. So if I had that, I say that that's a higher level than excitement, but I don't think it's the highest it could be. So things that excite me, what would I use as my rating? I would probably use things that excite me. I'd probably use birds, to be honest, but I'm not fantastic at drawing, so we'll see how this goes. So I would say maybe that this is, I'm just going to draw a face. And I'm going to say this is probably about three birds. I know, they're very old birds, so excuse my drawing. But that's what I would do, okay? But you can do it however you like. Either the ladder with the shades of meaning, or you can choose a rating, all right? Now, on the next page, if you struggle with coming up with some synonyms for excitement, try and do it on your own first, but on the next page there are some examples for you, so you can have a look at those. All right, that's absolutely fine. I'm not going to put it up on the board now because I don't want to show you them and then you have them already. I'd like to have a go on your own first. All right, so those are your tasks for today. So good luck. We're looking forward to actually getting to start writing our poem, and we're really looking forward to seeing your outcome at the end. All right, right, nice to see you guys. Take care. See you next lesson. Bye.